and welcome to ForceBolt. I am Shefali Gill and today Team ForceBolt is back with another informative piece of content for you. We will tell you the difference between machine learning and traditional programming. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. However, I would really like you to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any update from our side. So, the word programming is something that we all must have heard once. Whatever we are performing today could have been possible only with the evolution of programming. With the massive revolution in this industry, machine learning has significantly impacted because of its advanced automation capabilities. Before moving forward, let's first understand traditional programming and machine learning altogether. Traditional programming is a manual technique in which a programmer instructs the computer by giving inputs to produce the output. Machine learning, also known as the augmented analytics, provides input data and output to an algorithm to build a program. It is a widely automated process. Here we will see the closer comparison of traditional programming versus machine learning to see their cut-to-cut capabilities and usefulness. In traditional programming, a programmer builds the program and then rules also get defined by him to get the output. Conversely, machine learning only needs input and output data with its self-defined rules. Then the computer analyzes the fed information using its algorithm and delivers the program to resolve the case. Moving further, let's talk about the careers opportunities in both the fields respectively. So, both fields have equal scope and opportunities for fresher and experienced. Whether it is about software developer openings or machine learning developers, both are equally important for any organization. Concerning that, both have attractive package offerings. Now it is totally up to you where your interest lies more. So, is machine learning the future? Or maybe it is the end of traditional programming, if you want to say that? Well, the answer is simple. Not really. Although machine learning will change how we create computer programs, it won't affect human coders. A change in the roles of programmers certainly will be seen as the AI systems improve further. Their task will get deviated from writing code line by line to curating and examining input data from machine learning algorithms. So, rest assured that programmers likely won't lose their positions. So now summarizing the whole, as we can say, some problems can be resolved using conventional programming and some with the machine learning. Both the models work differently and have their specific abilities to provide the best solution possible. So it is widely clear that both approaches have equal importance for any organization. But the question arises, do you know what your business needs? Are you confused about the project requirements now? No worries, ForceBolt is here to help you with the project requirements and resolve your doubts. So do not forget to follow us on YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. We will be more than happy to assist you.